Hi, welcome to another video. I've just built this bike behind me, so basically show you around it. So this is a 2001-2002 Trek Bruiser. It's made as a jump bike. They originally launched it with the 1x9 and it had the chain guide on it. Later on they released it with front chainring. It's a 3x9, so they'd done away with the chain guide and had the front mech. They also fitted Mazzocchi forks later on. This one's got the original Trek chromoly jump fork. So yeah, so I got the frame. It was pretty dull. It still is in places. I need to get my mini polishing tool out, but I've polished the frame up as much as I can, and then I've managed to source parts from the wonderful world of eBay and Facebook Marketplace. So things like the original Bontrager seat post. Got the original Bontrager Earl Select combo, the handlebars and the stem. The original wheels, I actually bought another Bruiser for less than what I could find the wheels for. So I wanted the original wheels, and then I do actually have an original chain guide, but it's missing the bottom bracket clamp. It's got a little clamp on the underside. I'll show you. So that silver piece there, I'm missing that from the other one, but again it was just easier to buy this one brand new on Amazon. Pretty much the same thing. So yeah, I've used the original wheels, which are the R2 Ertro 26175, front and rear. I initially was going to do it completely original, but then thought against that, so we've gone with Shimano LX chain set, rear mech and front and rear brakes, and I've also managed to source the original shifter and levers. So yeah, they're on. Got the old cantilever brake system on there, or they're V brakes, but they offer this. The LX and the XT and the XTRs used to come with this sort of caliper system in here, so like a pendulum basically, so it keeps the brake pad straight against the rim. So yeah, so that's all good. I've gone with the Jaguar grey brake cables, just because I wanted to keep it sort of grey. And we've gone with I've got a gold headset. It's a no name, I think. It might be like a XLC or something like that. And then I've gone with the Hope Gold seat clamp because I actually had that already. And then I've got a little Hope spacer on the top. Gone with black one underneath, so it didn't have too much gold at the front. Gold cable ends everywhere, and then I've actually got some gold jockey wheels. So yeah, and some chainring bolts, which I had as well. Pedals, I've gone with DMR V8, one of my favourite pedals. So I've just stripped these apart, re-greased them, and they're superb. Tyres, we've gone with CST Jackrabbit in the amber wool. I think it looks great. Put the old donuts on the cable just to stop any damage, any more damage to the frame. I put one on the rear as well. It's the standard Shimano cassette, 9-speed, nothing special about that really. And the seat is Bontrager as well, just to match it. And obviously Bontrager is Trek's subsidiary brand for their components. Grips are just a generic lock-on grip at the moment. Might change them in the future, but they work. And that's it. So that's a look around the Trek Bruiser, and I'll stick some photos up for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.